जय गुरु जी, शुक्राना गुरु जी। Lakh lakh Shukrana Guruji for all your blessings. Lakh lakh Shukrana Guruji for giving us a new life every day. Lakh lakh Shukrana Guruji for showing us the right path. Jai Guruji Sangat ji, myself Sheetala Aunty, and today I will be reading Light of Divinity in English. Shukrana Multilingual platform for giving me this opportunity to be a part of this reading. Shukrana Suresh Uncle for permitting me to read this divine satsang and being a part of multilingual platform. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji, Sangatji, I have the new book of Light of Divinity and will be reading from page number 73 till page number 75 today. The topic is A Man is Saved on His Deathbed. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji, Jai Guruji to all the Sangatji from Sheetala Aunty. So let's get started, Sangatji, and please forgive me if I am stuck anywhere while I am reading this satsang. The satsang is narrated by Ashok Grover Uncle, and it is being printed in the book Light of Divinity on page number 73. The topic, A Man is Saved on His Deathbed. A family had been followers of the Radha Swamis for the past 45 years. One of them, Ashok Grover, was a devotee of Guruji. He received a call from his uncle that his father was on his deathbed and rushed home immediately. The father was hiccuping badly. The doctors declared that nothing could be done. Ashok remembered Guruji all the while, rushed his father to Apollo Hospital, Delhi, where he was admitted in the ICU. His blood sugar level was found to have touched 700. His intestines had stopped functioning and his hiccups were dying down, as was he. Doctors declared that there was no hope and that the patient should be taken home back. Just then, Ashok sensed that he was not required in the hospital, that his father was all right and there was nothing to worry about. He also had to leave for an urgent work. Ashok thus left his father in the hospital without an attendant. He was occupied for 2 days and could not even call up the hospital. When he returned to the hospital, he found his father crying. He thought his father was depressed, as he had left him alone. But Ashok was surprised when his father only asked him whether he had gone to Guruji. His father narrated how the moment his son had left him he had left Guruji's presence through his fragrance. Guruji had said, Guruji said in Punjabi, "Hor vai Radha Swamiya, ki hal hai ne tere? How are you, dear Radha Swami follower?" The father said that though he had prayed to Babaji of the Radha Swamis, it was Guruji who had come to rescue him. Guruji then asked him to get the test done again. The investigations went on for 2 days. All this time, Ashok's father felt Guruji's presence. When the reports came, the doctors were not able to detect any disease and were incredulous of their investigations. They recommended an insulin dose, but Ashok's father refused. He said he did not believe in their remedies and would henceforth entrust himself only to the biggest doctor, that is Guruji. After 1 week, Ashok's father came to Guruji. The Sadguru said the same words. Hor vai Radha Swamiya, ki hal ne tere? And told him that he had been granted a new life. After seeing how Guruji saved the life of Parditya's life, all the family members began coming to Guruji and now believe that their are in the same hands of God Himself. Next satsang, saving the devotee's business. Guruji once commanded Ashok to close his business, sell the factory, and do away with the machines. Ashok knew that this was his command and had to be obeyed. It took him around 15 days to sell off everything. The old machines were sold at the buying price and the entire sale broke even. No one was able to foresee why Guruji had asked Ashok to act thus. 3 weeks down the line, the business was declared outdated and many occurrences occurred heavy losses. But Ashok was saved by God Himself. Obeying Guruji always pays because He will only ask us to do something which is better for us. Jai Guruji. Next satsang, heading a 10-year-old's wishes. The 10-year-old daughter of Ashok involved in preparations at Bade Mandir for Guruji's birthday in 2005. Desired intensely to have Guruji's darshan. Ashok requested a long-time devotee to bring his daughter to the temple. She came to Bade Mandir but was insistent that she go to Guruji at Empire State as well. However, no one took her to Guruji. The girl kept crying the whole night and prayed to Guruji for his darshan. The next day, to everyone's surprise, Guruji came to Bade Mandir. When Ashok told Guruji that his daughter was remembering Guruji last night, Guruji merely smiled and told him that he had come just to see her since she remembered him so badly. As a result of Guruji's blessings, the girl stood first in her exams and has remained a brilliant student ever since. Jai Guruji. These were the satsang as narrated by Ashok Grover uncle. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji, Shukrana Suresh uncle for letting me narrate this satsang. Shukrana Guruji for choosing me to be a part of your Sangat. Shukrana Guruji for letting me read your divine holy book. Shukrana Guruji for selecting me as a part of your Sevadars. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji, sorry Guruji for all the mistakes I did while reading. Shukrana Sangaji for taking out time to read this to listen to this divine satsang. While I was reading, I'm sorry for what all mistakes I made. And with Guruji's blessings and your good wishes, I shall improve my reading next time. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji, Jai Guruji. Thank you, Suresh uncle. Thank you to all the multilingual platform Sevadars who are in coordination for these uploadings and satsangs. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji, Lakh Lakh Shukrana. Jai Guruji.